Hey folks, Nick from Ohio Power Tool here to introduce FEIN's MagSpeed 150 Fab Set, which is a small, lightweight, one-speed endurance magnetic core drill. This guy has a brushless motor at 1500 watts and cut speeds up to 230 feet per minute. This unit should last you about 240,000 holes, so you'll get your money's worth. FEIN brought this over to our recent open house event where vendors from all over show off what's new and exciting in the industry. You can check out more of those videos in the links below or on our channel. Anyway, so you don't have to listen to me yammer on, I mic'd the FEIN guy up and he can tell you all about this new addition to their lineup.
So this here is our MagSpeed 150. It's one of our newest additions here to our FEIN MagSpeed drill line. So exciting about this, it utilizes the FEIN PowerDrive motor. It's a brushless technology. This will drill holes 50% faster than any high-speed steel magnetic drill out there on the market. Utilizes our new coated CARBIDE annular cutters. This machine is extremely fast, it's designed strictly for carbide cutters.
The new FEIN MagSpeed 150 comes complete with a coolant tank, safety strap, chip hook, 3 centering pins, chip guard, hex key, 6 TCT coated cutters, 6 centering pins, and a lovely case to carry it all in. It is available for pre-sale right now at Ohio Power Tool. The part number is 727-324-61090 and it's priced at only $1,200. Throw your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. The FEIN guy.